some clean damp hair, apply your curl activator or styling cream. Preferably one that has protein because this will help the curls to form well so that they do not fall apart. Let's divide the hair. And here's the major trick. You're going to take more or less thick strands. We do it here like this. You shake it a little bit. Don't worry about the hair parting. At the end, you're going to fix it. You are going to comb upwards with the curve technique, shake, apply gel. I like to do it with wet hands and caress, then scrunch. Remove excess moisture and product. And I will direct my mane like this. Another layer of gel. Low power, medium temperature. Ready! It is dry. We pass the afro comb a little bit. Depends on how much volume you want, and if you still want more volume, you will look for the ones that are too pronounced, and carefully you are going to open them. Done. I hope you like it and it works for you.